ball that bounces on the ground. C is for cat with a meow so sweet. D is for duck with flappy feet. If you tap your hands and tap your knees, let's all sing our ABCs. Yeah. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for frog that hops away. G is for giraffe, so tall and high. H is for helicopter in the sky. I is for igloo, cold and white. J is for jelly, wobbly delight. K is for kite that soars up strong. L is for lion with a loud roar song. Learning is a jamboree. On this letter learning spree, yeah. M is for monkey swinging in trees, and N is for nest in the gentle breeze. O is for octopus with arms galore. P is for penguin waddling on the floor. Q is for queen with her shiny crown. R is for robot jumping up and down. Last S is for snake that slithers away. T is for Teddy you hug every day. You tap your hands and tap your knees. Let's all sing our ABCs. Yeah, E's, yeah. If you tap your hands and tap your knees, let's all sing our ABCs. Yeah. U is for umbrella on a rainy day. B is for violin, we love to play. U is for whale in the deep blue sea. X is for xylophone, play it with glee. Y is for yo-yo going up and down. Z is for zebra with stripes of brown. Now we've sung from A to Z. Let's sing again, come join with me. We've had fun, hip hip hooray. Let's sing the alphabet every day. Every day, every day. We've had fun, hip hip hooray. Let's sing the alphabet every day. Every day, every day.